Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on coordinate geometry. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given 3 points A, B and C and asked to find the absolute value of the difference between AB and BC. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 5, that is 12 minus 6 root 3. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, it is known to us that the distance between 2 points with coordinates x, y and a, b can be written as root over x minus a square plus y minus b square. So, this is the distance between these 2 points. Now, let us find the distance of a and b, that is length AB using this formula and length BC using this formula, and then we can subtract the lengths to find the absolute value of the difference between AB and BC. So AB will be equal to 1 minus 7 the whole square, that is equal to minus 6 whole square, which is equal to 36, and plus 4 minus 6 root 3 whole square, that is minus 6 root 3 whole square, which gives us a value of 36 into 3. This can be rewritten as root over 36 into 1 plus 3 or 4, which when taken the square root of will give us a value of 6 into 2, that is 12. Thus AB is equal to 12. Now for BC we can do the same thing. So BC will be equal to 7 minus 7 whole square, that is 0, plus 4 plus 6 root 3 minus 4 the whole square, that is 6 root 3 whole square, which again amounts to 36 into 3. When taken the square root, this will yield us a value of 6 root 3. Hence, the absolute value of the difference between AB and BC is equal to AB minus BC, that is 12 minus 6 root 3, thus giving us option 5 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.